privileged ex-president, and he is traveling on a private plane. Can he please give me a lift to Sokoto? And you see him turning his face. But I told him it's better to have the blessing of a bishop than to... Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor and a great privilege for me to be here. There were a few optical developments that I watched very closely, which are very significant, but also part of why Nigeria is what it is, such an incredibly great country. The relationship between President Obasanjo and his vice president is, for me, like the relationship, like a Catholic marriage. It may have troubles, but it doesn't break up. I think there also is evidence of what Nigeria's greatness is all about. And when I saw Peter Obi having a robust chat with Waziri, Atiku, I wasn't sure whether they were discussing a measure or whether it was just a casual conversation.